Hey, hey! Brian Sensei here. In this video, we're going to look at using artificial intelligence to generate voices. That way, you can make yourself sound like, I don't know, Jack Black.
For those about to rock, we salute you.
That's right. Not only can you generate your own custom voices, you can also use existing voices to make yourself sound like someone else. Let's check it out. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is open up our internet browser, and we are going to head on over to voice.ai. All right, when we land here, we're going to see free real-time voice changer joined for beta. And you're going to see the download now button. Go ahead and click here. The installer will download and you can open this up and you can run the installer and get it set up. Okay, once you have it installed, you're going to go ahead and launch the Voice AI application. Okay, once Voice AI loads up, you're going to see this screen, and we can see here in the middle that we have a voice already selected, but we can click here to switch to another voice. So let's do that. And here you will see the entire library of AI voices that you can experiment with and create voices with. And so what you'll see when you mouse over these is these first two, these are free to use. When you mouse over them, you'll see use, and you can go ahead and click use and start taking advantage of those. These other ones, you're going to see they say train. And so what that means is you have to help train the voice before you can use it. Now, in order to train the voice, you're going to have to use your tokens. And you're going to see that when you start up, you're going to have a number of tokens already. And if you want to earn more tokens, you can keep Voice AI running in the background, and that will generate more tokens for you. You can see here that I have quite a few tokens now. That's because I've been letting Voice AI run in the background. You can also click the plus here and actually buy credits. All right, so let's go ahead and see what this sounds like. So for our two free voices, we have a pop star voice and we have a politician voice. Let's go ahead and check out the politician voice. All right, so here I have two modes. I have record mode, where I can record my voice and have it generated into the politician voice, or I can go to live mode, where I could use this, for example, in an online meeting in real time. Let's do record mode here. I'll go ahead and make sure I have the correct microphone selected, which I do. And when I'm ready, I'll go ahead and click the microphone to start recording. Hello, my fellow Americans. I need you to know that Brian Sensei's School of Rock is the place to learn how to play music. And then I'll stop it. You're going to see here that the file is converting from my voice into the politician's voice.
Hello, my fellow Americans. I need you to know that Brian Sensei's School of Rock is the place to learn how to play music.
Wow. That sounded just like Joe Biden. That is wild.
My name is Joe Biden. I love ice cream.
So you notice here the file shows up down below and we can play it back, rewind it, or over here we can download the file and save it to our computer. If you're not happy with it, you can go ahead and click the trash can to delete it. All right, so the other option here is to use live mode. So we can switch to live mode. How wild would it be to be in a Zoom meeting and all the attendees hear you in the voice of Joe Biden? That would be wild. All you have to do is set your Zoom meeting device settings to the Voice AI microphone. Let's take a look at that. If you click here, you can watch a short video on how to change your settings. Okay, so once you are in your Zoom meeting, you're going to go to your settings and you're going to go to audio, and under microphone, you're going to change this to microphone array voice.ai audio cable. Once that's done, you're going to come back to the Voice AI app and you're going to turn on Voice Changer. So now, as you speak, everyone in the meeting will hear you as the voice profile that you chose. You can also test it out by clicking Hear Yourself. You can turn this on and hear the output. Just make sure you wear headphones when you do this. All right, so let's now go back and check out another voice. We're going to switch and we're going to scroll down here, look at a variety of voices. There's some really cool celebrities and some famous people. And you know, I am a big fan of Morgan Freeman, so I'm going to check out the Morgan Freeman voice. So first, I'm going to have to train the voice. So I'm going to click, and then down here below, I'm going to click on Train. Notice here it's letting me know that I'll have to use 4,600 credits in order to train. I'll go ahead and accept that. And now the training is in progress here. You're going to see a progress bar loading as it does the training. Okay, so the voice training has finished. Now you can see we can use Morgan Freeman's voice. Let's click on Use, and here we go. Let's do record mode. A wise man once told me, get busy living or get busy dying. That man's name was Andy Dufresne. All right, let's see how this one comes out.
A wise man once told me, get busy living or get busy dying. That man's name was Andy Dufresne.
Wow, that is amazing. That sounded very similar to Morgan Freeman.
I'm the one.
All right, so let's check this out. We're going to go back to the voices. Now, one last thing I want to show you is that you can create your own voice. That's right. You can create a custom AI voice and share it with other people on the network. You simply go here to create your voice. You'll be taken to the Voice AI website, and here you can provide a voice name, set the language, set the category, and you can also decide if you want it to be unlisted or listed within the Voice AI community. Then once you do that, you'll see here that I created one called Captain Connect. This is a superhero voice, and I went ahead and set this up. It's currently unlisted because I'm still working on it. But the way you build it is you need to upload an audio file of at least 5 minutes in duration. And then it will take that audio file and analyze it and then create the voice avatar for you. Simply browse here to attach your audio file and let it go to work. Once that's done, you'll save it. And again, you can decide if you'd like it to be unlisted or listed on Voice AI. All right, I hope you check this out and do some experimenting with the voices to do some really fun things. If you liked this video, please let me know in the comments below. Also, if you want to see more of these videos, consider subscribing to my channel and click the notification button so you can be notified every time I post new videos. It doesn't cost you anything to do this, and it will help me keep my channel going. Also, if you have a specific tech tip you'd like me to create, please let me know by completing the form in the description below. And I'll see you on the next one.